Today we are going to conduct an experiment of floating carriage type. In this floating carriage type, we are going to measure the major diameter, minor diameter, or internal diameter or external diameter of the given specimen. In this, why it is called as floating means it can be moves, float forward or like this. We can then once the specimen is this, it is going to be fixed in between the centers. Lathe, what the centers in the lathe, just like only two centers. This is the threaded specimen is going to be placed. Once it is going to take forward like this, it is going to be both the side. It is going to be next. It is going to be locked. Next, we can move this hatchet or thumb. Once it is going to be light tight, it is going to take place. Automatically, it is going to be locked. When it is going to be locked, we can see here the two scales. One is micrometer scale, main scale, another one is micrometer scale. We can see rotating or observed the coincident line, what the divisions are there on the outer surface, that is going to be considered on this. Both are going to be taken to the reading. Hence, we can measure the outer diameter of this. Before this, when you go for the internal diameters, we can take two types of rods are going to be obtained. This 1.65 mm diameter rods. These are going to be used to measure the diameter. Next is another type is prism type. These are prism type. These are going to be used to measure the internal diameter of this threaded specimen. For it is going to be used. This type we can measure the diameter, external and internal diameter of the specimen. Like this, we can take the different readings for different types of specimens. Now it is only external diameter. There is no need of this type of the specimens. But when you go for measuring internal diameter, we can take the prism type. It is going to be placed in the both the ends and taking the readings. Hence, we are simultaneously repeat the procedure for different readings and take the readings, and further it is going to be calculation portion is going to be shown in next.